Hi, this is Mercy Pilkington for Good E-Reader at Book Expo America in the Digital Zone with Bluefire Productions at their booth. Talking this morning to Cliff Gurin, who is the Vice President of Business Development for Bluefire Productions, who's going to show us a new concept in opening a branded app for your content and for reading. So good morning, Mr. Gurin.
Good morning.
What would you like to show us?
Thank you. So what I'd like to show you, first of all, is Bluefire Reader. Many of you may already be familiar with Bluefire Reader. This is the latest version of the product, which is available for iOS and for Android devices. Bluefire Reader is a feature-rich reading environment that is free. It's great to use. We have a lot of wonderful features in it to make it a pleasurable reading experience. We support both EPUB and PDF content. As you can see, a beautiful page display with a full set of user configurable settings so that you can change everything from the page turn style to the mode to the font to whatever you like. Basically, we also have a powerful search feature, bookmarking, annotations, highlighting, all the features that you'd expect in a powerful and easy to use reader. Bluefire, as I said, Bluefire Reader is free, but the core of our business is our branded reading application platform, basically a white label platform that these retailers and many others, including publishers, have used to create their own branded apps for iOS and for Android, so that they are able to bring their brand to the mobile platform, so that users can buy books from them on Android or get access to books that they've already purchased on iOS. And again, you see the same full-featured reading environment, but now carrying each publisher's unique brand. Through our embedded web view, the library, your library of previously purchased titles, is integrated into the application itself. So as you download each of these apps, you can then have easy access, say, to your books from Kaplan, if you're working with Kaplan's educational materials, as one example. The application is available on iOS, but also on Android, including Android tablets and phones. Again, we have the free version of Bluefire Reader available on Android, as well as the branded applications that we have produced for a wide variety of customers. So, for example, here's that same Siondo reader available now for Android.
Now, a lot of publishers are not developing content for both the iOS and Android platforms because of screen size issues and things like that. Are you finding that to be a problem, or how did you overcome that?
Not at all. So our readers support the EPUB reflowable format as well as PDF, which means that your books are going to look great no matter what size device you're reading them on. So this, for example, is a Samsung 8.9-inch tablet, and here's a book reflowed, again with the ability to change font sizes, whatever. And then here is the same book on a iPad, and you see that the content again is reflowed. So basically, we support all kinds of devices on iOS, everything from phones to the touch to the iPad, and on Android, basically anything 2.2 and higher, including again phones and a wide variety of tablet devices.
Okay, and this is great for readers who need an option, and for publishers, of course, who want to have their own branded white label app. But what about the smaller press or indie authors who want to kind of aggregate all their content into one app? Say, for example, all their blog content, if they want to start marketing that to their readers, what can they do?
Well, they can certainly use our platform. Quite frankly, it depends on their volume. And we may not be a cost-effective solution for the independent author or very small press publisher, because there are a number of costs associated not only with licensing but with deploying a solution. But that said, we do have a number of publishers who aggregate the content from a number of smaller suppliers. And so that is a solution to look at. And for example, Ciando, I mentioned in Germany, their app includes a number of different retailers, all brought into the one umbrella application.
Thank you so much for your time this morning. Again, this is Mercy Pilkington for Good E-Reader at Book Expo America.
Thank you, Mercy.